everyone, we're back. Disco Duck's missed you, haven't you, Disco Duck? I think it's time to go in our train and in our car and drive round and round and round on our very special journey. But first we need to practice, don't we? So can you all show me your choo-choo train arms? Oh, very good. And then can you do your car arms like we're driving our car? And we have to say beep, 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 beep. Oh, very good. I think we're ready, Disco Duck. We'll put our music on. Here we go. Choo-choo.